Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to look at the props rune, and to do that we're going to change our plant seed button just into a generic button component. So button.svelte, and here we'll have to update the import to button. You may need to restart the server. Seems like it's okay right now, but we'll see. So here for our button we're going to create some props, and to do that you destructure out of this props rune. So you can only use this props once in any component. If you try to use it again, you'll get an error. Something will, cannot use props more than once. So you can just use it once, and Svelte uses that to see what you need. So for example, if I put color here, then here we're going to get an error saying color is missing. Uh-oh. If you want to make color optional though, you can give it a backup. So here we could say BG Amber 900 and put it there. So now you won't get an error. And you could pass in something like color equals BG Emerald 700. And our button is green. So let's say you wanted to add some types to this though. You can do interface props and say color can be BG Amber 900, or it can be BG Emerald 600. So in that case, we'll get another error here. Uh-oh, BG Emerald 700 not allowed. Is the error we should be getting once we add our type right there. Okay, so now 600, and now it's okay. Okay, now if we want to add an on-click event, previously we'd have to do dispatch or something, but I will show you how to do that in the next video.